if you want to go back to the phones, Dwight, or Larry, I should say, let's head on over to Kissimmee and talk to Dwight. Go ahead, Dwight.
Hey, neighbor Larry.
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing good. 2016 Ford Edge, 2.0, 61,000 miles. Do I need to worry about the belts and hoses?
Dwight, I'm going to tell you.
No squeaks, no leaks.
It's like this. What will take that motor out will not be, most likely, a hose. What will happen is it's the plastic thermostat housing or a plastic T in the cooling system line somewhere, maybe a heater hose or something along those lines. That's what happens. It's not usually a hose. Today's coolants are really gentle on rubber, on something like a radiator or heater hoses. It's the daggone plastic that they're using on this stuff. That's what takes a motor out. People get out here driving, next thing you know, they got an empty cooling system. By the time they realize it, they done engine damage. The best thing in your case, I'm not going to tell you to run to a shop, and tell everybody to start replacing your cooling system hoses. That you can usually get a good 10 years out of the hoses. It's the plastic stuff that usually starts deteriorating, and that's what gets us in trouble. But, you got to be your own judge when it comes to that. Just look everything over real good. And if you see any white or any chalky looking anything on any of those plastic fittings, especially where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine, that's the thermostat housing in most cases. And if you see anything like that that's got any white on it whatsoever, you want to look for any kind of white chalky substance. That could be a very first sign that there's something cracked and maybe got a small leak in it. And we all know when it comes to plastic, just like, these plastic radiators, the plastic and aluminum radiators, they started making all these cooling system components out of plastic. And, it might be biodegradable and make all the tree huggers happy, but I'll tell you what, it doesn't do your engine any favor when it's sitting there on the H on your temperature gauge. So, just look for any type of seepage or leaking. And like I said, when you do get around, say you want to replace the hoses in a couple more years, replace every piece of plastic there is in that cooling system. If you see any T's, any thermostat covers, anything like that, have them replaced at the same time. If not, you're waiting until they do go bad, because trust me, they're not going to last forever. None of them do. But look for the plastic, Dwight. I appreciate your call, and you have a wonderful weekend.
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic radio show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.